In today's video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for a PDF file. It's quick, simple, and perfect for sharing documents easily. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. If not, click on Sign In or Create Account in the top right corner. Once you're signed in, click on the Google Apps icon in the top right and select Google Drive. Then, go to the top left, click on New, and choose File Upload. Find your PDF file, select it, and click Open to upload it. After the upload finishes, refresh Google Drive and locate your file. Right-click on it, hover over Share, and then click Share. In the pop-up window, change the access setting to anyone with the link, and then click Copy Link. This will copy your PDF shareable link. Now, open a new tab and go to QR-code-generator.com. Paste the copied link into the box provided, and your QR code will instantly appear. You can customize its design or simply click Download JPEG to save it to your device. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for your PDF, ready to share, print, or send to anyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.